This is a quick, easy video that combines multiplication and division with exponents. So if we have a problem like this that says simplify and express your answer as a single term using exponents. So we could see here we have the same base, the same factor, okay, but different exponents and multiplied and also divided. So step one, since we have the same base of 632, we can add the multiplication exponents and subtract the division exponents. So it would look like this. We take 632 and we add all the ones that are multiplied. So 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3, 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3, minus 4, minus 2. So we just subtract all the ones that are in the denominator. And when you do the arithmetic on this, you're left with 632 to the power of 11. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And it's very simple. Anyone can do this. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. You could download my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar, and you could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.